question number 8. Question number 8. And here 3 partners are there. Puneet and Pankaj and Pammi. And their profit sharing ratio is 2:1. It's fine. And this person is, who is retiring? Pammi and partner sharing for 2:2, and Pammi died. This person dies. Okay. So by default it will be equal. Okay, but in the question we will see whether anything is given about the new ratio or not. So new ratio is not given. So if new ratio is not given, then this will be their new ratio. New ratio or gain ratio will be equal, 2:2. Their new ratio or gain ratio will be 2:2. Means 2/4 and 2/4. Okay, equal ratio they will get. Means 1/2 and 1/2. Means half and half, half and half. Okay, equal they will, their new ratio. So in the question they have asked to prepare Pammi's executor's account. So if any partner is dead, so the balance cannot be paid to him, it is paid to his legal executor. Executor means the person who will be taking all the assets of that person and paying all the liabilities of that person, and final amount to give to their legal heirs appointed by the court. So here executor's account you have to prepare. So first we will prepare Pammi's capital account. So Pammi's capital account we are making here. Pammi's capital account. So by balance, his balance by Pammi's balance is 40,000. Okay, and the only general reserve is not given, so he will not get the general reserve. The deceased partner will be entitled to his share of profit based on up to that he died on which date? 30th September. 30th September means 6 months. 6 months. So 6 months profit he will get. 6 months profit he will get calculated on the basis of previous year. Previous years in September 19. So previous year in 19 he expired. So previous years means 31/3/18. We will take the profit of 31/3/18 and 3/18. For it, he died on 30 September 19. So this profit is 19. It is of 2018-19. It is treated as a 19. Okay. So profit 18-19 profit is 30,000. So for 6 months we will make half, and out of that 1/5 he will get. So it will come either 15,000, and 15,000 by 5 if you cut, it will come 5 3s. So his profit. So by PL suspense 3,000 profit he will get. Then he will be entitled to goodwill of the firm calculated on 3 years purchase of last 4 years average. So last 4 years average we will calculate. 4 year average we will calculate. It is given 80,000, then 50,000, then 50,000, then 40,000, and then 30,000. Okay, average means 4 items are there, by 4 it will be divided. It comes to 50,000. It is firm's goodwill. Now his share, Pam's share will be 50,000, into 1 by 5. So 10,000 he will get. This 10,000 will be given by Pankaj and Pankaj. Puneet and Pankaj. Equally they will give. 5,000 and 5,000 they will give. Okay. So here by Puneet 5,000 it is goodwill. And by Pankaj 5,000. So 10,000 he will get as a goodwill. Okay. Now, sorry, and 3 years purchase. The purchase we have not made. 1/5 comes and then 3 years. No, this is average. Average is 50,000. Now 3 years purchase. This is average. This 3 years purchase. It will be 50,000 into 3 means 1,50,000. This is firm's goodwill. This is firm's goodwill. Out of this our Pammi will get 1,050 into 1 by 5 means 30,000 he will get, and this will be given by P and Pan. Equally they will give 15,000 and 15,000 they will give. Okay, 15,000 and 15,000 they will give. So general reserve is not there in the balance sheet, so nothing will come. Then he is entitled for a interest of 12% by interest on capital. By interest 12% for 6 months. 6 months interest he will get. So 40,000 into 6 months into 12%. It will get, so 2,400. This will be his interest on capital, and he has withdrawn also capital to drawings. Drawings 10,000 he has withdrawn also. 10,000 drawing interest on capital. Surviving partners agreed that should be paid to the executor. So here nothing we can pay. We will transfer to PAM's executor's account. Whatever the balance is there, we will transfer to his executor's account, and there we will pay, because here PAM is not alive to take the payment also. And here in the question balance sheet, general reserve is not given, it is termed as reserve. All are the same thing. Any reserve is given, it is to be distributed, because it is not a specific reserve. So by reserve also we will transfer here. By reserves 1/5 we will give. So 50,000 is reserve value and his share is 1/5. So he will get 1/5 means 10,000 he will give. Stake. So 10,000 he will give. Now the total is 400, 3, 10, 3, 13, 14, 15, 15 का 5 हाथ में 4, 5 और 65,400. 13, 14, 15, 15 5 हाथ में है क्या? 5, 5 और 1 होता है 6. Then by goodwill also he has to get, no, 30,000. This goodwill he has to give. So who will give? By Puneet and by Pankaj. So these 15, 15 he will get. 30,000 as a goodwill he will get. So this side will come to 85,000. 85,000 it will come. Puneet's capital and Pankaj's capital. This total is your goodwill. So 85,000 will come here, and nothing payment we can show here. Only thing we can show the balance transfer to executor's account. Now how the executors will get the amount? We are going to make the executor's capital, executor's account here. As per question, he is to be paid in annual installments. Okay. So answer is 75,400. We will start with that. He died on 30th September 19th. By when is capital account? Capital account. Capital account. How much it will come to? It will come to 75,000. And he is to be paid annual installment. Annual installment means next installment is due on 30th September 20. So in before 20 March will come. 31st March will come. 320 will come, and that date you have to apply interest for 6 months. On the first, what happened? They are paying the executor to bank on the same date, 30th 9/19, to bank account. They have paid him immediately 15,400. So here 6 months on how much amount? This 15,400 they have given, balance is 60,000 on 16,000. Okay, 6 months by interest account, 6 months on. So at the rate of which rate? Unpaid executor balance for you at the rate of 12%. At the rate 12%. At the rate 12%. For 6 months we will calculate for 60,000. So it will struck, and here 2 also will go out. 3,600. So 3,600. This balance we will carry here. It will be 60,000 plus 60,000, 63,000, 60,000 plus 3,600. So 63,600. And here also. So it is okay. Okay position is there. Now this balance will come down. 1, 4, 20. 63,600, and it is of 60,000 plus 36,000, 3 months, 6 month interest. Now again on September 6, after 6 months, there he will be paid. He will be paid. So to interest, 6 month interest, again it will come to 3,600. So how much we will pay on 30th September? 30th September to bank account. To bank account we will pay 60,000. Old 3,600 plus 3,600 new. Means on 60,000 1 year. So it will be 72,000. It is 6 months. So 1 year it will be 72,000. So 67,200 we will pay. Okay. And then 31,321 again to interest account. Now interest will be applied on how much? Because out of 60,000, one installment we are paying 4 divided by 4. In 4 equal installments we have to pay. Means 15,000 and 7,000. 15,000 and 72. 20, 15,000 and 7,200. So 50, it will be coming 22,200. Okay, this we will pay. So 15,000 is paid from this 60,000. Now remaining is 45,000. And for 6 months, this will go out. Sorry, this will go out. So 45 दूना 90, 9 27. It will come this much. Okay. So this side total is there 12, 12 और 7, 19 का 9, हम पे 3 4 7 तो 69. So this will come to this side 69 9,000 and 31,321 to balance carried down, and it should come 7 2 9 719,426. How it comes? It is coming 45,000 balance plus 2,700 interest. So here 1st April 1/4/21 balance brought down. How much it will come? This amount. So 47,700 it will come. 700 it will come. Then on these no 21 again to interest, and to interest account it will come to 2700. So this is 1 year. So 1 year interest is covered. 27 previous years and this year, so 1 year. And rest is on 31/3/22 to balance carried down. Okay, balance carried down. Balance carried down should be out of 45, 15 is given, so balance will be 30,000 plus 2,700. Okay, no, not this side balance will come. Balance will come to that side. Balance will come to that side. Okay. So there, and on 31/3/22 to interest. 6-month interest will be calculated on 30,000 for 6 months. 6 upon 12. 6 months into 12 upon 100. 1800 it will come. Okay. And here after 21 comes here, so on 30th September 30th, like this is paid on 21 to bank account, he will be paid how much? 15,000 plus 15,000 plus 2,700 last year's and 2,007 year this half. Last year's half year, this year's half year. So 54,000 27 20,004. So he will be paid, and on 31/3/22 his balance will be, to balance carried down will be 30,000 plus 1,800. So 31,800 it should come. Okay, so likewise you can make further entries also. 31/3/22 again to balance brought down how much? 31,800. And this likewise you make another 2 years and it will be wipe off. Means on every September you calculate for 6 month interest, and then you this is last year's portion, 6 month. Okay, 6 months of the previous year. 6 months, this is 6 months and this is 6 months. Okay, 6 months on this 30,000 and 6 months on 45,000 or 45,000 this is. Okay, 6 months on 45,000. Likewise you can calculate further 2 years. Okay, likewise you make further 2 years and it will go off. 30,000 means 2 more years. 1 year 15,000 and 1 year 15,000, and it will wipe off. In this way we prepare the executor's account from start to, and further years you can calculate on the basis of this anything you can take and calculate. Okay, it will give you chance to learn also. Thank you for watching our video. Okay, we will meet with you in the next video. By that time follow and subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, thank you.